Look at what was spotted under the bed of gang members that SAPS have been looking for a long time. Crime rate in South Africa is at its peak. Crime is getting out of hand, and the society is blaming the law enforcement for not doing enough and allowing criminals to be above the law. No one except criminals enjoy the benefits of crime. People work very hard to earn their belongings and materials, only for criminals to take them forcefully away from them. One can understand the trauma and shock that most victims of crime face. It is up to the law enforcement agencies to do better and protect the society from such criminal acts. Among those arrested were 4 suspects that belonged to a gang responsible for car hijackings, armed robberies in the south of JHB. Police have been searching for the gang after several cases of hijacking robbery of bank cards were reported in Lenasia, Ennerdale, De Deur Orange. It could have been anyone who committed these crimes of hijacking vehicles. However, South Africans are suspicious that these are foreign nationals and they demand that their nationalities are exposed. People are aware that illegal immigrants are in South Africa to commit crimes and terrorize the citizens. This needs to be addressed thoroughly, since xenophobic attacks could be sparked. Allegedly, this gang has been long hunted by the SAPS, and they have finally made a breakthrough by catching them red-handed and being able to see where they normally hide. By looking at these pictures, one can see that their rooms are untidy. It is chaotic and not a healthy environment for one to stay in. You ask yourself that upon all the cars they have hijacked and they're still staying in this bad environment with a room like this. But robbing off innocent people of their properties. God have mercy on your souls. Thank you for the great work, SAPS. Leave your comments in the comment video below. Don't forget to share with your family and friends.